In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your store catalog using Wix, whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or simply adding new products. This guide will walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Are you ready to dive in? First, let's open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome, but feel free to use any browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar, type in wix.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Wix homepage where you can access your account. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it to get started. Once you've logged into your Wix account, you'll want to navigate to the catalog section. To do this, locate and click on catalog on your dashboard. Next, select Store Products, which will take you to a comprehensive list of all your offerings. Here, you'll have the chance to manage existing products or add new ones, which is what we'll focus on today. Next, you'll want to click on Categories. You'll see a list of current categories, but for now, let's focus on creating a new one. Click on the default All Products collection. Then on the top right of the page, you'll see a button labeled New Product. Go ahead and click that. Now a window will open offering you options such as ebooks, printables, or digital albums. Select the type that matches your product. You're going to fill in some crucial information about your product. Start by entering a name for your product category. Something simple like shoes, accessories, or summer sale will do. If you want to make your product even easier to find, consider adding a description. This step is optional, but is great for improving your product's search engine optimization or SEO. Once your product name and description are set, it's time to add an image. Click on Add Image, and to upload your file, hit Upload File. You can choose to upload media from a variety of sources, but for now, click on Upload from Computer. Select the image file that best represents your product. With your image loaded, you'll need to decide on your pricing strategy. Click on Add to Product / Categories, then simply type in your desired price. Remember to consider your market and competition. Setting the right price is key to making sales. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Find the Save button, usually at the bottom of the page, and click on it. With that, you're all set. You've just successfully added a new product to your Wix store catalog. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough helps streamline your online store setup. If you found this guide useful, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy selling!